everyone. My name is Nuno Pedro, and I'm the Global Head of Commerce at SAP. Today, I will take you through our commerce strategy and show you how we are delivering commerce everywhere. Let's start by looking at the context and the current trends. And let's go back about a year where most of us, if not all of us, got stuck at home. And a lot of the freedom that we had as human beings got taken away from us. And what happened then was a shift that was already happening of customers going more and using more digital channels. That shift actually accelerated, and because of the lockdown, I mean the volume of traffic going through digital channels just went through the roof. And what this caused in turn was companies had to accelerate their own digital transformation to make sure that we're able to keep up with the customer behavior. And if you think about what does that mean from a customer perspective, it meant that the pace of change, the volume of information, the pace at which customers change their mind, that increased substantially in the same way that customer expectations increased when all things related with ability to use multiple different channels, to have information available in their fingertips, and to ultimately receive product in their homes in the same day that they deliver products. Together with that, we also saw a clear increase in terms of expectations when it comes to customers using digital channels and making sure that companies know them. And by knowing them, they should be able to tailor and personalize their experience for each individual. Last but not least, we observed a key trend around customers having a global reach and being aware about everything that's going on in the world, while they expect local delivery, local action. So really being able to think and understand globally, but then interact and receive product locally. If you combine all of these different elements, it's easy to understand that the speed at which technology gets adopted and the speed at which technology is evolving, that's really what's driving the shift in customer behavior. And because of that, companies need to adjust as well. So there's this term we call digital IQ, which is really key element for companies to be successful and resilient to this new age. And in order for us to be able to support them, I mean, I think all companies need to understand that it doesn't matter how big or small, simple or complex, doesn't matter industry or geography. What it does matter is that the customer is at the center, and we need to be where the customer is. And we need to be able to be relevant for the customer. Otherwise, it will be very hard for us to really win the customer over, because there's so much choice that they all just go with whoever knows them best, whoever is able to meet their needs best. And for us at SAP Commerce, we believe we have a very important role to play. And with all these contextual elements and trends in the back of our minds, we have defined a clear set of focus areas where we plan to invest, double down, really to win and have the best possible commerce solution. So I'll start with the table stake elements, where they are the unsung heroes, but they are extremely important, where a commerce solution needs to be robust, scalable, needs to be simple and fast to implement, and the time to value needs to be as fast as possible. In addition to that, we believe that there are 4 key elements where we as a commerce solution need to win. Number 1, we need to infuse intelligence in all the elements of the solution. Number 2, we need to be ready to support all different kinds of business models that our customers have. We need to be able to support ship from store, endless aisle, buy online, pick up in store. It doesn't matter, because tomorrow there will be many more, but we need to be able to support those in the best possible way. Number 3 is we need to acknowledge that there's a commerce ecosystem which is continuously growing. So being able to extend and connect our SAP commerce solution is paramount to assure that our customers can make the best out of other partners, other solutions that they have. And number four, and to wrap up the slide, I think it's really paramount that we support our customers to become as nimble, as agile as they can, but by really making sure that we have a very simple, robust solution that can be fit for their business purposes. What does this mean in practice? At SAP, in our DNA, we have over 20 years of commerce experience. We have one of the world's leading platforms when it comes to volume and GMV going through that platform. But we also work with thousands of customers in many different industries. And our key conclusion, looking at this context and looking at our experience, is there's no one solution fits all when it comes to commerce. We need to differentiate, and that's why we have set forward with two complementary solutions that really serve different purposes in the commerce space. Number one, the SAP Commerce Cloud solution. This is, depth and width of functionality, supporting any kind of business model, any kind of complexity, and any kind of customization as well. So we will win with this platform in highly complex business scenarios, and we want the customers to be able to really extend and customize the solution as much as they want. On the flip side of that, we have SAP Upscale Commerce, where we have a simple turnkey solution that will be available and ready to go in days or weeks. And it's really what customers need to run their commerce business by having a robust and feature-rich solution that at the same time is easy, quick, and fast to implement. Now, going one level deeper on each one of these two solutions, starting with Commerce Cloud. With Commerce Cloud, what we have done was we have decomposed commerce into the key building blocks. And what you see in this slide are basically the key building blocks that compose our Commerce Cloud solution, where we have at the bottom, we have the platform or the Commerce Cloud automation element, where we focus on performance, reliability, scalability. So really making sure that you never miss an order. Then on top of that, we have our context-driven services, where we emerge all the intelligence around recommendations, merchandising intelligence, inventory management. So that's where all those services are packaged up. And then on top of that, we have all things that are core to commerce, like product catalog, cart, checkout, my account. So the key core elements for commerce available as a set of packaged business capabilities. And then on top of that, we have Spartacus, which is our front-end framework that allows customers to create in a simple, easy, quick way store front-end solutions that can be used across multiple different channels. To finalize this slide, we also have our extensibility and connectivity services, where in extensibility, we are leveraging SAP Business Technology Platform or KIMA runtime to be able to extend the Commerce Cloud solution, being extending the data model or APIs in real time with no need to deploy or build anything. That's the goal of those set of services. And then when it comes to connectivity, we are building out-of-the-box connectors to solutions like eMARSys, S4HANA, or the SAP CDP. On top of that, when it comes to connectivity, we believe that it is incredibly important to provide an open framework for any kind of third-party solutions to be integrated. So that's what we're doing there. Moving on to SAP Upscale Commerce. There's four key elements for this solution. Number one, we want to empower and enable customers to sell anywhere. Any channel from mobile to web to social, we need to enable the creation of experiences that work in each one of those different channels in a simple and quick way. Number two, similarly to Commerce Cloud, we want to embed intelligence, being merchandising management, being category management, or just simple product recommendations. We want to make sure that Upscale is really a tool of choice when it comes to creating personalized experiences for our customers. And then on top of that, and going back to the need of really delivering omni-channel business models and across different elements of physical and digital. So Upscale enables customers to really, in an easy way, create an endless aisle solution or create a buy online, pick up in store solution, and really has an element of order management embedded into it to really facilitate the fulfillment of the orders. Last but not least, coming back to speed and agility, again, it's truly a software as a service solution. So every 2 weeks, there's a new release with new features that's readily available for all customers using the solution. So compounding all these different elements of SAP Upscale Commerce as well as SAP Commerce Cloud, we have a robust portfolio of solutions that's fit for purpose for any business need. Finalizing the presentation, so last slide, to really demonstrate and share with you how excited we are at SAP with this new portfolio of solutions. We believe we can really help accelerate your digital transformation, and we want to partner with all of you to really make sure that you can take the best out of your commerce business. I hope you have enjoyed this time. I certainly did, and look forward to meeting and working together with a lot of you. Thank you.